Hello students, welcome to SOURAV sir's classes. Today we would be learning about the chi-square distribution. The square of a standard normal variate is known as a chi-square variate with 1 degree of freedom. Thus, if x follows normal mu comma sigma square, then z equal to x minus mu by sigma follows normal 0 comma 1 and z square, that is x minus mu by sigma whole square, follows chi-square with 1 degrees of freedom. Now in general, if we have x1, x2 and so on up to xn, which are independent normal variates, with mean mu I and variance sigma I square, then chi-square is equal to summation xi minus mu I by sigma I square, where I goes from 1 to n, follows chi-square with n degrees of freedom. The moment generating function MGF is given as m chi-square t is equal to 1 minus 2t to the power minus n by 2, which is the MGF of a gamma variate with parameters half and n by 2. Hence, by the uniqueness theorem of MGFs, we can say chi-square is a gamma variate with parameters half and n by 2, and thus the PDF can be given as, let me do it on a different page, I don't have space left. So the PDF is 1 by 2 to the power n by 2 gamma of n by 2 into exponential minus chi-square by 2 into chi-square to the power n by 2 minus 1. For a variable following chi-square with n degrees of freedom, the mean is equal to n and variance is equal to 2n. And next I'm going to state the additive property of chi-square variates. So the additive property states that the sum of independent chi-square variates is also a chi-square variate. More precisely, if xi, where I goes from 1, 2 and so on up to k, are independent, chi-square variates with ni degrees of freedom respectively, then the summation xi, I going from 1 to k, is a chi-square variate with summation ni degrees of freedom. Few results on chi-square distribution are, say if x1 and x2 are independent chi-square variates with n1 and n2 degrees of freedom respectively, then x1 by x2 follows beta 2 n1 by 2 comma n2 by 2 distribution. So x1 by x2 is a beta 2 comma n1 by 2 comma n2 by 2 variate, and if x1 and x2 are independent chi-square variates with n1 and n2 df respectively, then again u is equal to x1 by x1 plus x2 and v is equal to x1 plus x2. Then u is a beta 1 comma n1 by 2 comma n2 by 2 variate, whereas v is a chi-square variate with n1 plus n2 degrees of freedom. This I had already stated. This we got using the additive property. But these two are new. You should make it a point to remember these. These are very important properties. Thank you for watching this video and stay tuned to our channel SOURAV Classes for further videos on statistical concepts.